So those are my outfits from my Stitch Fix. And as for my first impression, I actually did not like how it looked when I picked them up, but upon trying them on, it's actually quite looks nice when you put them together. As you can see from wearing the dress shirt, the short sleeves, and the shorts, and the belt, and with a touch of glasses, they actually nice together when you put them on. So when it comes to the quality of each item is actually feels nice. They actually feels like an upgrade from what I've been wearing. You know, I always get my stuff from the clearance, and it's actually like, it's a luxurious one, as you could say. So I'm gonna run through each piece, and I'm gonna start with the pants. Definitely is a no-go for me. It's calling slim pants. Actually, slim pants is my size. My waist is 31, but it feels baggy inside. Like, I feel like I'm a country boy. I mean, no offense, but that's what I felt when I was running my Chelsea boot. And even though I tried to taper them in at the bottom, it's just not what it is, all right? Second piece is the dress shirt. As I said before, I did not like the color of the dress shirt, but upon trying them on, the fit is actually nice on me. And I think I could get to use the pattern. Maybe I could wear this to like a bar type of thing, you know, go hang out with the friends. Just tuck them in and I'll be good to go. And the third one is a short. I've never tried this type of short when it really feels light. This is actually a very summery type of short. It's very light, very like, I don't know, it's like a feather light. I'm telling you, it's a feather light. It has like a technical pocket. The downside of it, it just feels long. I think it says 10-inch. So what I suggest you to do is just fold them in. And for the next one, it's a short sleeve, I guess it's a dress shirt. Compared to long sleeve dress shirt, it actually fits well and it looks nice too. I mean, this is something that I need to get used to, but as I said, upon trying them on and putting them together, it actually works well. And as for the last item, which is the belt, I mean, I don't know what to say about it, but it's a belt. It's a brown belt. It looks nice on you. $38. I don't know if that worked, but you get what I mean. If you want to buy it, sure. So in terms of the value of the fix, is this something that I would consider spending on, or you would consider spending on? I mean, personally for me, I'm not gonna spend my money on it just because I'm that frugal guy, okay? So I already spent $20. That means I had to pick one item at least, all right? And I'm leaning towards the short or the belt. So I'm going to ask you guys, which item should I purchase? The belt, the long sleeve, the short, or the short sleeve? Definitely not the pants, okay? Definitely not the pants. Let me know in the comment section below, which item should I pick? Would I pick another fix from Stitch Fix? Definitely yes, because it exposed me from different brands or outfit that I never tried before. And it's actually like eliminate from me thinking of which outfit should I put on. And you know, they have the stylist, and you just, all you have to do is put your bio, your stats, whatever type style you want, and it's gonna do for you. And obviously the answer is not gonna be 100% right. Like from what I had today, I mean, they had it almost like 75%, but the pants for me, it just didn't quite work. So that's it for me, guys. If you found this video interesting, please press that thumbs up down below, and please leave a comment down below too as which item should I purchase. And if you're new to this channel, would like to follow me in my journey, please don't forget to subscribe. So stay safe, stay amazing, have a good day everyone. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.